a sun-drenched backyard, vibrant shirts dance on a clothesline, swaying gently in the breeze. Gigi and Ellie stand amidst this cheerful scene, their smiles as bright as the day. Gigi's eyes sparkle with playful enthusiasm as she turns to her audience. Hello, kids! Today, we're learning about colors, she announces, her voice ringing with warmth. Gigi stands in the brightly lit laundry room, the scent of fresh detergent filling the air. She reaches into the washing machine, her fingers brushing against the cool metal. She pulls out a vibrant red shirt, its color a stark contrast to the sterile white machines. Holding the shirt aloft, she exclaims with delight, "Wow! This shirt is red! Red like an apple! Can you say red?" Under the bright sun of the backyard, Ellie skips towards the clothesline, her eyes sparkling with anticipation. She plucks a vibrant blue shirt from the line, the fabric catching the light like a piece of the sky itself. With a playful giggle, she twirls the shirt in the air, the color mirroring the vast expanse above. Her voice rings out with childlike wonder. "Look, a blue shirt, blue like the sky. Isn't it cool?" She points towards the clear blue sky, her small finger tracing the airy canvas, solidifying the connection. Her eyes reflect the boundless blue, an innocent and pure joy radiating from her. In the sun-drenched laundry room, Gigi's hands move deftly through piles of clean clothes. A wide smile blossoms across her face as she lifts a sunny yellow shirt into the light. The fabric glows in her hands, a beacon of warmth and cheer. "Here comes a yellow shirt," Gigi exclaims, her voice bright with delight. She holds the shirt aloft, joy radiating from her as she declares, "Yellow like the bright sun! It's so cheerful!" In the sun-drenched backyard, Ellie's laughter peals through the air as she hides behind a leafy tree, a heartbeat of breathless anticipation. Then she bursts forth, a radiant grin lighting up her face. Her green shirt blends seamlessly with the verdant backdrop, a playful camouflage against the summer day. "Peek-a-boo!" she cries, her voice bubbling with joy. "I have a green shirt, green like the trees and leaves all around us," she exclaims, her eyes sparkling with the thrill of discovery. Bathed in sunlight, Gigi and Ellie burst into dance in the backyard, their colorful shirts vibrant against the green. Upbeat music pulses through the air, setting a joyful rhythm for their playful movement. Gigi, her eyes sparkling with delight, exclaims, "Wow, so many colors! Red, blue, yellow, green! Let's clap for all the colors!" Ellie echoes her friend's excitement, clapping her hands with unrestrained glee. "Wow! So many colors, red, blue, yellow, green. Let's clap for all the colors." Gigi and Ellie dance in the backyard, their laughter echoing under the bright open sky. Suddenly, a vibrant rainbow explodes across the horizon, painting the sky with an arc of radiant colors. Eyes wide with wonder, Gigi and Ellie point towards the spectacular display, their joyful dance forgotten. Colors make the world so bright and fun. Which color is your favorite? Tell us in the comments. They exclaim in unison, their voices filled with delight.